How to remove an effect from multiple clips inside Premiere Pro 2019. So here on the color tab I have this Lumetri color, and in the basic correction section shadows is modified and saturation is modified for all of these clips, and I want to remove that saturation and shadow modification. Okay, to remove it, select all of those clips on the timeline. Okay, and right click any of those clips and go to remove attributes. Okay, so this is a removal function, and which is checked, that will be removed. I don't have anything else, but for this example I will uncheck everything and it will remove only that effect, which is the Lumetri color. So which is checked, that will be removed. And click OK, and after that the effects will be gone. So if I select this one, which is shadow, is not modified, saturation is not modified. If I go over there, the same thing, they are not modified.